गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल सॉफ्टलाइन इंस्टीट्यूट। माय नेम इज करीना और आज की इस क्लास में हम बात करने वाले हैं द पावर ऑफ इम्परफेक्शन। इम्परफेक्शन की पावर के बारे में, लेवरेजिंग द प्रेटफॉल इफेक्ट इन एडवर्टाइजिंग। तो बेसिकली इस क्लास में मैं आपको प्रेटफॉल इफेक्ट के बारे में बताऊंगी, एडवर्टाइजिंग में ये क्या होता है। तो दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटर स्टूडेंट्स। दिस इज अ टॉपिक ऑफ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग. So discover how small intentional mistakes in advertising can make brands more trustworthy and relatable. This pratfall effect reveals that audience often favor ads that show vulnerability over polished perfection. This presentation dives into the psychology behind the phenomenon along with compelling brand examples. Learn practical ways to implement. So what is pratfall effect? People tend to like individuals who make mistakes more than those who appear flawless. Origin: psychologist Elliot Aronson coined the term in 1966 after observing audience reaction to imperfect performers. Key study: participants rated a near perfect quiz show contestant higher when he spilled coffee, showing that perfection can be intimidating. Psychology behind imperfection: making mistakes can make a person or brand appear more approachable and human. When brands strive for flawless perfection, they often seem distant or intimidating to audience. Mistakes increase relatability. Perfection often feels unattainable. Imperfection fosters empathy, and human flaws increase connection. So imperfections help audiences feel empathy and closure connection. The famous saying "to err is human" reflects deep psychology where admitting faults fosters trust. Case study: Avis, we try harder. Market position: Avis was trailing Hertz, the dominant rental car company in 1960s. Slogan strategy क्या थी इनकी? Underdog status. When you are only two, you can try harder. When you are only number two, you can try harder. Outcome: by admitting imperfection, Avis built credibility and boosted its market share significantly. Case study: Brewdog. Pump attitude लेते हैं, Pump Brewdog का लेते हैं. Brand identity: Brewdog embraced a rebellious anti-establishment persona as their core brand. Ad style: their commercials featured deliberately unprofessional, raw content reflecting their punk attitude. Results: the unconventional, imperfect approach earned a cult following and rapid growth despite industry norms. Case study: Dollar Shave Club की लेंगे तो our plates are Dollar Shave Club spiral launch videos used casual low budget production and humor to mock overpriced razors. The approach helped them grow fast and pick up. तो इस तरह की अप्रोच जो होती है जिसमें आप मिस्टेक कर देते हो उस पर ज़्यादा लोग ध्यान देते हैं. This is called pratfall strategy. Case study: Old Spice की लेते हैं. Performance styling का charismatic था, कोई quirky था, over the top to break traditional masculine norms. Ad tone embraced absurdity, not taking itself too seriously. In fact, revitalized brand and became a cultural phenomenon. And then why it works? It builds trust through vulnerability. Authenticity आती है. Imperfection signals honesty, genuineness to audience, connection showing a flaws, build empathy and a deeper brand consumer bond. Differentiation: strategic slips-ups help brands stand out from the polished competitors. Applying the pratfall effect to your brand: show genuine vulnerability, find authentic ways to real human moments or limitations. Use human carefully, poking fun at yourself can disarm audience but avoid offending them. Balance the mistake: ensure it doesn't overshadow your core product or message. Avoid forced error. Imperfection must feel natural, not convicted. So the pratfall effect empowers brands to build trust and goodwill by showing imperfections honestly and strategically. Imperfection humanizes a brand, making it approachable and memorable instead of pursuing unrealistic perfection. Marketers should embrace flaws as an opportunity to connect authenticity with consumers. So by harnessing this powerful psychology, brands can cultivate deeper loyalty and stand out in a crowded market. So आज की क्लास में इतना ही. मिलते हैं इसी तरह से अगली क्लास में. थैंक यू सो मच.